A deputy pulls over Adriana and immediately notices something shocking: the baby is not in a car seat. As the deputy tries to process that, the driver's slow speech, odd behavior, and very confident denials start raising every red flag imaginable. What follows is a mix of failed sobriety tests, awkward excuses, and a deputy who is clearly done playing games, all while trying to make sure a 7-month-old baby stays safe. Trust me, this one somehow manages to be stressful, bizarre, and unbelievable all at once.
Hi.
Deputy Maggio, Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over, you're speeding.
Sorry.
You have your driver's license, registration insurance? Why is he out of the carrier?
Because I changed his diaper.
Why in the world is that infant not in his carrier? There is absolutely 0.0 excuse for that. Roll down that other window. Where are you coming from right now? How much you had to drink today?
Nothing.
How much marijuana you smoked today? You've had nothing?
No.
Okay. So, are you lying to me? Are you sure?
I'm gonna let you know right now that right there is child endangerment.
Especially driving the way you're driving.
Jesus Christ.
Facial insurance. You have the registration? In your trunk?
Because this is my boyfriend's car, we just renewed the title.
You just have a seat back in the car.
Actually, better idea. Come over here and properly restrain your child.
I apologize.
692?
She can barely walk. Is the AC on in the car? Okay. Let's put your child in the car seat, please. How old is he?
7.
What was your first name again? Adriana? Okay. Would you mind doing some tests to see if you're okay to drive? Because your mannerisms and the way you're kind of moving about, it seems like you're a little impaired by something. Your speech is a little slow. I asked a question, I'm just explaining it to you. Will you do a couple of tests to see if you're okay to drive? Is that a yes? Just stand with your feet together and your hands down at your side. Don't lean on your car. Make sure you're away from it, okay? Do you wear glasses or contacts or anything? Okay. Do you know what nystagmus is? Okay, so you probably don't have resting nystagmus. Do you have any recent head injuries, car accidents, anything lately? Nothing, no issues with your eyes that you know of?
Is my close the window for the baby?
No, I'm not closing the window. I want to be able to hear the baby, and then I don't want the car to get locked.
Yeah. The air's running, so the baby should be fine. Baby's secured now? Okay, good. Can you see the tip of my pen right here? Right here where my finger is? I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? Say again. This one's going to be a little weird, but just follow it, okay? With your eyes and your eyes only. I know. One more time. Have you had any alcohol to drink today? Now's the time to be honest. I can give up the other day. Any drugs?
No.
You've had nothing? Okay. Sit tight then.
You ever used one of these before? Just blow into it, so I'll tell you to stop. Take a deep breath.
What are the I'm from California. Are we supposed to? I've never seen that. Is that something that you guys usually do?
You want to do this? Yeah, we usually do it. Take a deep breath, like this.
Like blowing up a balloon.
Blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
Okay, blow. Like you're blowing up a balloon. Okay? Like, can you do that? Do it for me. Like. Alright, cool. See it. I'll tell you when to stop. Alright. We're done.
Go ahead and turn around.
Turn around, face the car.
Don't be.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
And
We'll figure that out.
stand up. Don't play this crap.
Sounds like it.
Let's go. Put your shoe on.
Put your shoe on.
Put your shoe on. Yeah, I don't have that thing.
Show one in custody. Aggravated DUI. You said that child is 7 months old?
Then walk like an adult. Then walk like an adult. It's easy. Now go in there and sit down. We're going to have some adult questions we got to ask. Scoot over.
Hey, big guy. Here, I'm going to get you.
I'll take it, man.
That's alright, I got it. We got to figure out somebody to come. Put your arm through. Come here, big guy.
Little walker.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, little guy.
Hi, bud.
Hi.
Hi. Get the car seat out.
Standing.
It was standing in the car seat.
I got the new guys working.
This video shows how a simple speeding stop can spiral fast when safety is ignored, because driving with an unrestrained infant turns a minor violation into child endangerment, and strange behavior can raise impairment concerns even without admitting to alcohol or drugs. It's a reminder that how you act matters as much as what you say. Field sobriety tests are based on observation, not excuses. Poor decisions stack quickly, and when a child is involved, law enforcement will always prioritize protection first, with body cameras capturing every detail and family stepping in often being the only thing that prevents an even worse outcome.
We have the formula bag and everything, so I could probably whip up a bottle. I asked already if it was.
Should he bottle fed?
He's bottle fed formula, so we can do that.
Are we gonna take baby to 500? Yeah. Okay. Grandma's on her way. She works in this week.
Okay.
She's on the way.
Thank God. I did not want to hand the baby to DCS.
No.
We still need to call them.
Oh, 100%. 100%.
Okay.